I keep telling Six I'm trying to be outside, but she think I'm trying to be outside for other reasons. No, I want to shoot people. Hello?
You was pregnant for the long 9 months.
Man, she don't understand. Her coochie ain't swollen right now.
Yeah, she had to go through that.
What the fuck?
She does not care.
Like firework.
Oh, what the fuck is going on? Is that Skylar? That's probably Skylar with the fireworks.
I feel uneasy.
It's smoky?
On the bag, yeah.
Girl, I hope it's fireworks. I think
got an
that's...
RPG.
Oh my, I think that's Skylar. Let me go out front. I think that's
You look at
Skylar.
him like that, Megan Thee Stallion.
Let's go outside. Let's go out here. It's Skylar, I think. Yeah, that's Skylar. Oh no, they shooting.
Ruby, you knew it was. No, it's her firework.
Oh.
Okay.
I thought somebody was doing that shit.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I thought somebody was doing that shit. I was about to say no.
Oh, the little baby.
That would have been crazy.
Look, and it's pink and blue.
Oh, Skylar. Oh, she about to get knocked out with it.
Put it in reverse skate.
Put it in reverse, Skylar. Stupid. Oh, this is so cute.
Keep moving off.
Can I talk to you real quick? Sweet pea.
Fireworks, they kept going on. You couldn't get out
Bro,
of it.
you ugly as hell, skinny neck ass little boy. Yo,
Skylar,
Skylar.
Skylar. Oh, Jesus. Oh, hell no. I'm coming over here. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Is her house on? I mean, her hair on fire?
She's still going for you.
Man, man, ain't no way. Okay,
That's a real
Skylar.
nigga. She turned.
This why she on
Man, what?
motherfucking knees. Hello?
Okay. Good as the prey. But then we thought motherfuckers were shooting at dicks.
I came out and saw blood on the ground. I said, oh, shit.
So, oh, damn.
And somebody done got.
I'm good.
Yay. Dude, I wanted
W.
that
Skylar.
so bad.
I'm
Yeah,
fucking
I got food at
crying.
this baby shower.
I'm gonna get,
I'm
yeah,
a-
GP.
That's PTM.
My GP.
I know what it is. I ain't know this.
What's that? What'd you say, what'd you say, Kay?
Said y'all got food.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
I ain't got an ARP.
Here,
I
I'm
do
sorry.
got an ARP.
I had all types of
but
shit
it's
in my
like it's the
pocket.
one like you put the Glock in the bottom of that bitch and then like start shooting.
Well, she let that one a little close, didn't she?
I ain't got it on
Come
me.
on now.
I got it
Hold on
So let me
now.
go ahead and scoot a little bit
Hold on,
back.
I'm in my pocket now. Hold on now. Like, hello?
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
No,
that's my
talking
food.
this whole time, and my voice lost.
Oh, I thought she was, you know, in your head, but you were trying to, like, stay close. That's what I be doing. I won't say nothing, but I stay close. Because I'm in my head. This
Wait,
is
so it's a girl? That's
fun.
what they saying. That's what they saying. It's a girl.
No, I'm having a girl and a boy.
I saw you having twins.
Yeah.
I think my bullet's blue and pink. Can I shoot him in the sky real quick?
No, because I don't want other people to start shooting and think, you
I'm just
know.
playing. I'm just playing.
Right, look. Look. She did.
Damn, she got eyes.
Ain't no way
Look.
she. Yeah, I think she got knocked out. Ain't no way she do. Ain't no way she get knocked out for me. Like, you know what? W.
Firework.
Skylar. Oh, Jesus.
The hell that came on with the real.